Title, The Power of Alhamdulillah. One day, a little boy named Kashif was sitting in the garden with his grandfather. He looked a bit sad. His grandfather smiled and asked, "My dear, why do you look so upset?" Kashif sighed and said, "Grandpa, my new toy broke, and my best friend Ali didn't come to school today. I feel really sad." His grandfather gently patted his head and said, "My dear, let me teach you a magical word that will always keep you happy." Kashif's eyes widened with curiosity. A magical word. What is it, Grandpa? His grandfather smiled and said, "The word is Alhamdulillah. Whenever you receive something, say Alhamdulillah. Even when you lose something, say Alhamdulillah, because Allah always has something better for you." Kashif thought for a moment and asked, "But Grandpa, my toy is broken. How can I say Alhamdulillah?" Grandpa chuckled and said, "Think about it. You already have so many other toys, and Allah can give you new ones too. But what about the children who don't have any toys? If you say Alhamdulillah, Allah will bless you even more." Kashif's face lit up with understanding. "Oh, so that means if I always thank Allah, He will give me even more blessings?" Grandpa nodded. "Exactly, and the best part is, when we say Alhamdulillah, our hearts feel happy, and Allah becomes pleased with us." Kashif immediately said, "Alhamdulillah, I already feel better." Grandpa hugged him warmly and said, "That's my boy. From now on, always say Alhamdulillah and see how your life fills with happiness." And from that day on, Kashif made a promise to always say Alhamdulillah, and he truly became happier than ever.